We get some kind question on top
Twitter
now. If you agree marry person, if you don't agree marry person, then you discover say, chai, you don't fit marry the person.
Before, no?
How you want tell them say you know they do again? Pastor we know they. Pastor we know they.
Okay, how you go tell person say you know do again? When you say
after you don't tell and say.
But I never marry.
But I never marry.
So how you go tell and say you know do again like this? I no do again.
But then one Friday when you there, you get one caller when say you go not tell us that.
No, this is the most powerful way to do them. Just look at breathe in, breathe and relax, and not do again.
No.
And no, that's what I'm talking about.
But she what do you mean you can? You don't.
You get naked swear, uncle.
Say Wetin.
Hello, good evening, Nena.
Good evening, Nedu.
How is you, my sister in the Lord?
I'm fine. How are you
doing? Which question you get to ask this evening?
I want to say something. Please give me attention, please.
Okay. What would they give them to you?
You know what happened? Last Friday, I put my gen as I put today because of us, and he disappointed us.
Chai.
Hey, yeah.
It is unfortunate that I didn't know that he's in Abuja. I would have liked to.
Hey, Honan.
Hey, see? You see?
There's something I want to say. It still has to do with this program today. Please, just give me small time.
Okay.
That day, Chidinma came.
Yes.
He said she's a virgin. Nigerians doubted her.
That she's a virgin?
Yesterday, another movie person came.
Yes.
And said she doesn't have boyfriend. Nigeria doubted her.
Yeah.
Why are they doubting?
You don't know.
To the national station like this and say something like that, the person cannot lie because if she has a boyfriend, the boyfriend will be watching when she's saying
yes.
Precisely.
I see what the pastor is saying. Me, as you see me, I was a virgin until I got married. I graduated and I was working for a long time. People did not believe it. I had a lot of setback in my office. No promotion because I refused to do it.
Wow.
But the unfortunate thing is this thing pastor is teaching this night. I'm a victim. I married after the whole thing. My wedding was so glorious. In a dunamis church. Let me just say it. But it's unfortunate that after, it's not up to a year, this man went on transfer and up till now. Since 2000, we waited in 2005, 2006, October till now. That's the end. I've not seen him.
Transfer to where?
Pastor, they tried. So is it the reward for being faithful?
No.
Nigerians find it difficult to believe that somebody is a virgin.
Wow.
I did it.
Wow.
And that made me that up till now.
Transfer to where?
To harden my heart, even to see a man, I say this is a man. If I see a man, I would be looking at the person as if it's a woman that is standing before.
Wow.
Before that lady said that she doesn't have a boyfriend, just...
Hey.
No.
Credit.
Nena.
Credit.
No.
Credit.
Nena.
Hello, Nena.
That's cut.
No, it can't cut.
Hey!
Hello?
Let's talk continue.
Well,
Transfer within nine.
Nena, well, before the show ends, then we'll give you my email address.
Biko.
Make we talk.
Please, and phone number. Just send a text message.
And then
please.
You never do anything wrong, because say you keep yourself and you won't be, but no be reward.
Jesus.
Sometimes bad things they happen to good people, and you don't necessarily
No,
say
most
because
times, Pastor,
they
you
be
know,
bad.
sometimes.
You know me say they be bad people, though. So to come shut down and lock up, say you know if you talk to anybody again, you just they bitter. These things are real. If you are hearing me, sometimes we they laugh, we they talk, we just that you just help them daylight. Now I don't hear say this thing they heavy because this attention matter and a big deal, oh, because now she don't become Wetin she no be
Bitter.
You know, very bitter, sounds really bitter. So before the show ends, Nena, they will give you my email address and then send me mail, make we talk, make we just heal from this. I know say now I think imagine the layers of distrust, you know. Now church then do if first in public don't come around as church boy, you know, and then one day just go. 2005 to today now, 10
years!
You know, so
10 years! Even woman with the issue of blood. How many years?
I don't know. 12 years, my brother.
Hello, good evening.
Wow.
10 years.
My brother Chooks, how is you from One Nature?
We didn't transfer and go. Go find out.
Chooks, which question you get to ask, Biko?
I agree to now. I agree to Nedu and
My brother, thank you. We greet
Well
you
done,
too.
hello?
When they hear you, we greet you.
Okay. I hear.
Chook.
I think someone that is religious, huh?
Gene.
Okay.
Hello?
Yeah, we hear you.
Hello? Hello?
Would they hear you? Your TV, let's say your TV loud.
Too loud.
Onyinye, good evening.
Yeah, good evening. Good evening. Lady, how is you?
I am fine, Master. How is your ministry?
It's fine. Auntie Catherine.
Hey, sweet girl.
I love you so much.
I love you too, baby. One love, baby.
I missed you last week.
Okay.
Please, I have
Not
a
to react to
question to
that.
ask.
All right, what's your question?
If you find out that your husband is sleeping with your neighbor, how will you handle the situation?
Okay. You want me to talk am now or make we talk am?
Yes.
Is it happening to you or someone you know?
No, it's happening to me.
Okay. How
Yes.
how do you know?
I can call you through your number or you can talk to me.
Okay. Let me give you the they'll talk mention the email and then we'll talk later, but I'll answer it here, but we'll talk later.
Onyinye?
Yes.
Okay.
All right.
Onyinye, you fit end the call now. But before we come out, you go call the number where you go text Pastor Iheanyi.
So carry your pen,
Carry your
pen
pencil,
and
then
paper.
keep
We
on
go
down,
call
we'll call
the
number for you.
number, email, and Twitter.
Handle, yeah.
Elvis, good evening.
Wow.
Good evening.
How you doing, my brother?
I'm fine, Mr. Nidu.
Which question you get to ask today?
Okay, the question I have to ask you today is, why is it that our Nigerian girls, they are always look for ready-made men.
Okay.
They want everything to be on their bed and fall, and they don't want to work.
Okay.
All right, no
Now your
wahala.
question. All right.
Elvis will answer you now. Thank
All
you.
right. Say you don't feel blame man or blame woman. They get some gross dimensions.
So let's start with Onyinye first.
Okay, Onye.
Before
Well, but one of the things we want to ask about, we'll talk later now. How you take no, the open door, or did you see it? Was it hearsay? There are two different emotions to deal with. Like the other man, that went to see his friend.
Yes.
That completely different reactions. Now, when this thing don't happen like this, it depends on how your husband, nature of your relationship with your
Pastor,
husband.
we'll take this one so that we just add all of them together.
Okay.
Felix from Holland, good evening.
Good evening.
Good evening, my brother. How is you?
I do fine. How your body?
My brother, body didn't say cloth. You don't see him now.
Okay.
Now, which question you get to ask today? I'll see so pa.
I want to ask to buy the CD and the DVD. How do you still get them? Because I not in the country right now.
Okay. By next week, the website or the online store where you go feed download them to the ebook and the audio to your Kindle or mobile device. Go down there ready. So we go put them out. So you go just fit download, pay, and just get them for your mobile device.
Then Pastor you go announce when income show next week.
Yes, next week. All
By
those
next week
details
Friday,
go
we'll go announce everything.
Everything go
How
there
you go
ready.
take get them. In fact, next week Friday, if you want to get them on top internet, you go fit download them.
Yes.
Pay download them. If you
Yeah.
want to get them face to face, you go know where you go collect. Anywhere for Nigeria. In fact, anywhere for the world, you
Yeah,
go get
you'll be
them.
able to get it.
Okay.
Thank you, my
All
brother.
right.
Collins, good evening from Calabar.
Yeah, see me there.
Good evening, Calabar. How is you?
Good evening, Nejo. I'm fine.
Ask your question, my brother.
My question is, just like what the pastor was saying,
Yes.
if you say you don't want again,
Yes.
and the pastor come they say na Holy Spirit na tell am say this one na your wife. How you want
Make I answer that one very well.
You exhibit attitude where say if you live with this one you feel that.
So you see this way don't talk that way.
Oh, you got me.
Now you know where the thing
Me,
will do you.
me,
Oh, yeah,
hang up.
hang up,
No,
answer you
have this
now.
one sharp. The guy break into tongues there. See, now you know where that thing they do you. I never argue say the pastor no here. Say God say. But if it be say no be that person or that time, be like say she go
Pastor talk finish. I'll give you example. This happened to me.
Because you go front, go school, go learn. If you still there when you learn, finish, come back. But just because say the pastor talk am, not just
Yes.
don't
get anything to do with anything.
You need to know for yourself. Say because wetin pastor suppose dey talk na confirmation of wetin you don dey feel. But if wetin you don talk now, no be thing where you dey feel for your heart at all. just deal with them the way they. If you, this is my recommendation. Go back, tell pastor, say I hear you, but I no go fit go on with this woman. And you know me say I no believe say you don't be man of God, or believe say hey, but I no go fit go on with
example of this one we call it stock. Before Uzo, you don't get one girl they call Chioma. My late sister, my only sister, we don't her name na Chioma. So now I can call my mama, call my cousin, my pastor, see this person, I'm gonna pray. My mama 2 days later, they can say, we have prayed. Is that Chioma? Is that Chioma? But meanwhile, me inside my mind, I say no now. Because this one don't tell me, say, before I go marry my boy, I must buy him cross store. Honda cross store.
You said, who sent you go say you want
I'm telling you. My pastor, I don't aware of myself. He said before I go marry him, this one not be played. Now I said the floor talk so. Nobody don't buy him that cross store. You never stay married. I'm not happy today.
There you go.
Pastor,
you for the back cross store.
I
Forget the same.
All your life.
So, Colin, if they hear me, it not me say the man of God no be man of God. Though.
Yes.
It just me say you no resonate with your own spirit and you get exclusive rights to say if this character no gel which I want. No, see, marriage,
and no be quarrel.
Marriage, like I say this, so marriage not the heaven or hell man or woman make of in life. If you miss them,
easy, carry Chelsea down now.
I'm good.
you know, you don't buy market. So, please, Collins, what would be the other question?
Question
about who they sleep with. Her husband they sleep with the neighbor.
So if you don't find out and it's still they act like say they coded, una go get that heart to heart. You know most couples these days we don't use work, use schedule. Cover everything. So everybody they form busy. You go just say, when you just say I want to see you tonight. Now then you go form say they get late night meeting. When they come back late, say we can't talk, let's talk tomorrow. Somehow that thing will just die. But you go get that one-on-one. And I don't mean parlor,
so when
children.
they sleep, you go your
one way come up, talk in the room, close the door. Just sit down. Maybe say you want to follow and play safe. Just follow and enter duvet, cover up. My husband.
Okay, so me no, in other words, me know yours one as quarrel.
No. You know, say na false attack you don't give and so. As you enter duvet, say shift now, enter, close hair, say my husband. So why are you sleeping with our neighbor now?
And you don't say, you don't give her any sign. High five from me, I bet.
Now the move be that. You don't cook already. She come back. You pull and laugh. They play. Say today. Say go and battle. Sakwe say but tonight. He said go to believe say when I come lie down, hold on like just look up.
Good evening. My sister, how is you?
I'm fine, and you too.
We dey fine. We are passada capacata.
I don't see you. How you doing?
I do, sister me. I things.
I'm cool.
Which question you get to ask, Esther?
I want to ask our pastor something.
Okay.
I'm cool. How you doing?
Hey, your TV dey too
Answer the
loud
question.
now. Ask the question.
Ask the question. Sorry.
Okay, my question is like.
Oh yeah, continue.
Hello.
Every day you ask.
My question is like this. Like if you are dating somebody and you say maybe you don't want to do again, how will you just say, somebody has asked that question before. If you don't want to do again, how will you just say, can you just come out and say, I don't want to do again?
Yeah,
okay.
precise. Oh,
but
Papa was precise.
Hang on, I explain to you.
More answer somebody from Just, then answer two of them together. Pastor, no vex. From Just, the law from Just. Good evening.
Don't vex.
Yeah, they do Hannah.
I did. How is you?
I know, how can you do?
With all of us there, yeah. I beg, ask your question quick. The law, no vex.
Yes, sir.
And you're the one that carry cover. See, I beg, one man just called, that Nena.
Okay.
Yes.
That Nena woman, please, Pastor, I'm pleading. What she said just touched me in a special way, and I know you, Pastor, that what she actually said touched you. Please. Get in touch with this woman and try to help her.
Of course.
Her.
Yes. No, definitely.
That woman, that Nena, please, for what she said, I know that she's telling the truth.
Yes.
So it will be a very good thing that you have done, Pastor, by getting across to her.
We have said so.
How to help her.
Yes, we have said we'll call.
We'll give her number.
Yes.
I had you, but you told her that Navy is going to give your details.
Now.
Why would they talk so now?
Thank you. Please.
Yeah.
Just get across to her and please help to heal her. God will bless you in Jesus.
Bless you too. Thank you.
Amen.
Well, Nena, if you see the watch, the number when it be saying you go send text message. Send your Nena on Nyenye. Make una send on a text this night. 0817
0817
232
232
7000
7000
0817
0817
232
232
7000
7000.
Pastor Iheanyi Twitter handle don't change now.
I am Iheanyi.
I am Iheanyi. Pastor Iheanyi Twitter handle don't change now. I am Iheanyi. Now be Pastor Iheanyi Twitter handle now. I am Iheanyi. But this number 0817 232 7000 you don't TV. Nena.
Send text message.
Mention
your name.
Put your name. So that
put number when una go fit call. When
Then
pastor
later,
go fit call
the
you.
pastor go fit call you.
Inside the
Una
text
two go talk.
message.
Don't worry. All of una for Nigeria. For
You
this
are in
whole
good
world.
hands.
Una there in good hands. Don't worry. We has you here.
By the time una finish to read that book, what to find in a man and what to find in a
You
woman.
see that book? We go start that book next week Friday from page 1.
Yes.
Now we go take finish this year. We're not going to discuss anything again from page 1
And I go
to the
download
end.
them. They play them for your motor.
We're not going to discuss anything again. You see now that book.
Yes.
If una not learn, una must learn them.
Yes,
So this last show, the whole world, one of the hear us today.
Yes.
All these guys where they yellow up and down. Una they find husband where they reach up and where
They are looking for tall,
handsome and God-fearing. Pastor.
So what was I saying? What was I saying before the person called?
Hey.
What was I saying now? Somebody called. I think you see this matter now.
No, the person that called was telling you to.
No, before
somebody
then, I was
called
saying
before
something.
then.
I was saying something before. Hey, how you go tell person say you no do it again? Now you see the danger of delay. Now, when you say na delay, you don't enter deception because you don't like them again. You know.
So no need to delay.
See, because delay now then you go now then deception go enter. Maybe one man go buy something. You know, maybe you don't buy something, expect buy car. Just bring, can't give you. So now you don't know whether to leave them because you say you know do again, but you don't see car.
You come.
So you go come chill, don't go tell them anything, thank them, hug them. When you go, they feel bad, say, nothing did this program again, no, but car don't they land, you know, small, if your birthday go soon come. So make it just, most people that's what they take do. They'll just wait till Valentine or wait till birthday. When you do those things, you don't prolong and things, time, now healer or killer. When you leave things, make time pass. Either you solidify them or you completely destroy them. So if you say you know do again and you say, what happened to us? You say, no, I've been feeling that way for some time. Now then you go no say, the person go just either if a violent person, and then if he kill you there. Because you say, so you know do again. So what is this thing where would they do? So what is all these things we are doing?
I'm sorry now.
No. You would say receive it, say take it. And then if a person don't fit, person don't well, say take it. Say take it. You know, and then problem go. They say after but no the lady, if you don't feel them, do and well. The way I don't talk this husband and wife on, buy and dinner, tell and say today. Now your own turn to buy and on. Keep them for public place, keep them very nice, make them watch film and just tell and say, man, say you don't think this relationship thing. If you want to begin Reiki, say I'm really sorry. But it's better now than tomorrow. You know? If you do hold down, say I have no vex. If I understand if you will not talk to me again. But we need to be better people. Together like this thing know the work and you know. Say me I they do the I
suppose you know and you say you know.
Say look, but I will work at it. He said, me I don't want to work at it.
You know? Is it your work? Is it not my work?
You see, it they better when you don't define, when we don't talk say love relationships, define every relationship. Once you say I'm not feeling like that, it go vex. But that from that day when you healing don't start, suddenly somebody else got appeal to him because you don't tell him.
And suddenly maybe he will just think by himself.
Yes, he don't know. Say this thing no be here, you know.
2 weeks ago something happened.
As now hug go suddenly, and one old colleague go call him. Because just go relax before you go down round up quickly. Because if he say that you day there, but as you don't define him for him. What if he don't see three people wearing like, but you don't kill him because if he say na you. Then after like 6 months, you just wake up one day. Say you know
meanwhile those things don't work out.
Say that's in January where you don't feel like it. Say
So it's better to
real time.
It's better to
as they do you
real
get
time.
the courage to just
see,
talk him as it be.
whether you get courage, whether you get courage, you don't get courage. If you want courage, keep in touch. We go coach you how you go do am. No be you go see.
And no be quarrel.
Yes.
No be say excuse me.
See,
I'm not doing again.
If he not take am well or she not take am well, he better that day than in the future.
At least he better say he don't hear am.
Yes. If you do am vex go, the healing process don't begin as na don't talk.
And tomorrow if he pray for you, he say help me thank this my former.
Tomorrow,
say, if no be she
he
pray,
meet one girl, one correct girl. He go just when he see you, go hug you. You go say thank you. So I don't understand what happened to me then, but I don't meet my best friend. You go hug her and say, no problem.
Yes.
You don't marry. Whether you don't marry or not, no be the point. You don't heal from that situation.
But because you know, say we talk this thing one time. Some women, they off cloth for you, for a man. Say,
oh, yes. Swear for him.
Yes.
Now the dimensions of investments, now they cause dimensions of behavior. When you come on cloth, say when a woman come on cloth for man, nothing there to hide again. So maybe you don't drop every resource, natural, don't drop every, and then now you can say you know it again. Hey. If Kukuma just tell me before your foundation, say nothing there. But once you don't mind everything, as you come out the cloth for you now, you say, where make I go again now? That's what you're saying now. Where make I go again? Who will take me?
Who will look me again? On this day,
after the tower of Babel has fallen down.
On this day, I pray for you.
The tower of Babel has fallen down.
If you are seeing me like this, it will be the last email on your mind.
Anyway, double toilet all of now. We don't call us on top of the show today. Double toilet all of now. I beg Mona no vex. Say on top Twitter, our network they shake today, and I make us not to read messages on Twitter. Mona no vex. I beg. Mona no vex. We go sort them. Pastor Iheanyi new Twitter handle. Now I am Iheanyi.
Simple.
I am Iheanyi. Nena Onyinye. I beg. 0817 232 7000.
No calls.
No calls, just text message.
Yes.
Then when you send text message, you write your name.
Put your number.
Put your number.
Yes.
When you send message, of course, number will show now.
If you use and
then next week, tomorrow, the book, what every man should want in a woman and what a woman should, woman should want in a man. It come out tomorrow, but by next week,
we go tell you where exactly.
From next week Friday, we will begin to come out on top. Anyway,
we go put free copy next week for people feel win. Maybe
from next week Friday, we're gonna go they win one copy.
Yes.
We just win one copy. Depending
on how well you know Pastor Iheanyi and how well you don't follow Pastor Iheanyi talk on top night so every Friday on top Relationship Friday. We go know. Now test una go the classrooms.
Good night.
Bye. Duh.
If you don't just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.